Welcome to DataIAM, the AI-powered data loader that makes Salesforce imports effortless. With seamless Salesforce sign-in, you can get started in seconds. Let's start with inserting new leads into Salesforce. With DataIAM, you don't have to worry about messy CSVs. Upload a CSV file. No need for perfect formatting. AI-assisted field mapping takes over. Notice that lead and HQ address were single-column fields in the CSV. AI split them into multiple columns and mapped them correctly to Salesforce compound fields. Next, on the data fixes screen, we see that every column is analyzed with valid, invalid, and caution counts clearly displayed. AI suggestions include fixes and cautions. Automatically fix currency values. Phone number formats. And picklist values. Here's the status column. AI identifies invalid values in it and guides you to convert to valid Salesforce picklist options. We do this because Salesforce doesn't flag invalid values that don't match picklist options as errors. With all fixes applied, run the job to fix and load leads to Salesforce. Next, let's update existing lead records in Salesforce with an Upsert job. Upload your CSV file. Missing record IDs? No problem. Since the CSV doesn't contain record IDs, DataIAM asks you to define criteria to automatically fetch them. Watch as the system pulls matching records from Salesforce. No manual VLOOKUPs are needed. Record IDs are fetched successfully. On the Data Fixes screen, select Fixes to apply, and you can schedule the job to run later. Perfect for optimizing API limits. Now, let's extract phone numbers of recent leads from Salesforce. Create an extract job and select the lead object. Choose the fields you need. Notice how DataIAM generates the SOQL or SOQL query for you. Use Preview Data to validate your query logic before running it. With only clicks, extract your data. With DataIAM, loading and extracting Salesforce data is effortless. No errors, no manual cleanup, just results. We call it Fix and Load AI. Start with FREEMIUM Plan for $0. Visit dataiam.com to get started.